You searched how to buy shares of Investment AB Latour. Investment AB Latour is a Swedish investment company with holdings across industrial and technology sectors. Its shares trade on CBOE under the ticker LATob.ST. This is an educational demonstration and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LATOb.ST to find the correct listing. Confirm the exchange and company name to ensure you have located the right stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for LATob.ST. Verify the company details and the displayed ticker to confirm this is the correct share. To invest, click Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order summary carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will wait until trading reopens, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will request additional funds before completing the purchase. Once the order fills, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the link to the example platform is in the description below.